Hey guys, how's it going? Acidix here. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make chicken for the sushi. Right, so we've got our this. Now we need a knife. Not that one. Not that one. This one should do. Yeah. Right. Chicken. How did that not open? What the hell? It doesn't want to open. Holy shit. There we go. Oh, only half of it. Fuck's sake. Fuck, that's cold. just. Right. So you wanna put your shit there. What did I say I was making again? Oh, right. Chicken. Like if you do teriyaki chicken for like sushi or not, you need shit. Fuck, I don't know where it's gone. What you want to do is you want to cut there. And then cut that one in half. There. You want like little strips like that. Let's go take that off. That'll do. And grab this. About that thick maybe, before we start cutting again. Bear in mind that you're supposed to be using 2 hands because otherwise everything's gonna fly everywhere. Voila, masterpieces. Just keep cutting that. Right, now that we've finished cutting all this, we need a bowl. These. This will do fine. Take this, put it over there. Just wash hand. Right. So we've got Nutella. Well, I like stuff. Eat you later. Bowl. Chicken. What else needed? Ooh, right. I got Ugg boots. They're nice and warm. Don't judge. You want to go to the shop? Go to New World. Go to New World on like the weekends at like 2 o'clock onwards, and you'll probably find me. You want this shit? This shit. Right, we take this over to your chicken. We just open it. Camera. Right, now you wanna just gently just pour a little bit, just a tiny bit, not much, just a little bit. Yeah, just like that. You just want to swirl it around. Make sure all the pieces are, you know, just a little bit covered. You don't want to do too much, or else you're going to have some implications later. So, you want to do that. Hand. I've been washing my hand all fucking morning because of this. Clean, clean, clean. Alright, next one. Swimwear. You want... Just... Fuck you. And... You. Right. See this? Just gotta find the edge of it. Shit. Hang on. I just realized something. I forgot a piece. See this? I forgot it. Right, so now we're gonna cut this one just down here. Right, now that I've finished chopping up the chicken, where'd that come from? Right, now that I've finished chopping up the chicken, I gotta just a little bit. You know, mix it the fuck up so it can marinate. Nope, thought I spilled some. The stuff smells very strong. I think I've used too much. Lift that up so it's under warm. Ah, warm, not satanic fucking hot. God damn it. Always make sure you have a clean, dry tea towel to dry your hands and wipe up any mistakes. Sadly, I can't wipe up myself. What's after this stuff? Glad wrap. Just like that. Just wanna. Oh shit. Oh, hold up. There. About that much. From there to about there. You're going to put your bowl there. And then boom! Which is all wrapped up. You want to take it with you, don't spill it, else you'll be in trouble. Sorry, I'll be in trouble, but open the fridge. Right, you see this? Yeah? There's nowhere to put it. Just move these out of the way. Oh. Where do I put them? Put them there. I'm trying to restrict as much view of the fridge as I can because I don't think I'll have to show you the fridge. Alright, you put it in there. Wow. Good job at hiding the fridge. You put it there, you leave it there either overnight or all day. And voila. Afterwards, you've got your... You go to Mannix. You get sushi rice and what's that? Sushi seaweed. Your necessary ingredients for making sushi, obviously. And that's how you make the teriyaki chicken. Prepare it, sorry. I don't know how to cook it. I don't cook. Clearly. Thanks for joining me. Please leave a like and sub if you liked the video, and I will see you guys in the next random video I decide to do. Ciao.